I am on my knees. Why, you say? Because I've got a friend that wanted me to fix so he can have a heater in the other room, a water heater, point of use water heater, and I'll show you what that looks like. In order to do that, we have to get water from here to there. Now, I could go across that wall and down that wall and all that, but that's a block wall, so maybe not. So we're gonna go up. I have to climb up in this thing, drill a hole, slide the PEX down here in the straight pieces of PEX, so I don't have it curling up inside that wall. I have to do that and connect it up to the water lines we have here. And it's going to be challenging. But hey, you and I can do it because we're Americans, not Americans. So the first thing is, somebody's already been here, and I bet that's me, so many years ago, and put the drywall up with screws. Down here where I can find them, and I think this is a larger piece that we put in before I put this cabinet in. There was a place to wash your hair right there. Didn't really need it for a barber shop, but he was trying to let a woman do her thing here, and it just never really quite worked out. All right, I'm going to cut it right here so we can just take it out inside here. And I'm using that oscillating saw. I know I could do it quieter with a razor now. That oscillating saw spoils me. All right, now, as a rule, this is to another bathroom here, pretty sure, because that's the other side of the wall, and he doesn't have anything over there. So how do we, really short piece right here that I did not do, because that is copper crimpering. So over here is a 3/4 PEX pipe that I'll have to get into. That's going to be challenging. But what we've got to do is slide the PEX down this wall after I drill a hole, cut a hole in the firewall. It's up in the attic. It's 2 o'clock, so it's going to be blistering hot, sweltering hot, and I have to see if I can slide it down through here and then grab it and put a 90 on it and then come out here. Wish I could. Then we're going to take that cold water up and then we're going to 90 and go across and then 90 and go down. So that's where we're at. And I was expecting to see this size, but not this 3/4, but I could put an ice maker connection right here and he could shut it off right here. That would probably be most attractive to him. So that's what this is an ice maker connection. You see it has one where it connects to the shut off right here, and then it has a hose up, and then this would go to the ice maker with a 3/8 line. Now they make them with a 1/4 inch, but this is not the case. So what we'll do is we'll get another ice maker connection to put right here, and then I'll have the T to go out that way, and I'll just shut it off right here. 1/4 turn, let's make sure it's off. Your right side is always your cold side, or at least it should be. Your left side is your hot. And looks like it has a point of use water heater right there. That's where we're at. We're gonna, instead of me cutting into a 3/4 line and trying to finagle it, I'm going to get an ice maker connection or a T here that you can buy at your hardware store, plumbing supply. I think you can see another one right here.